Hello waffle enthusiasts! Meet the FOHERE Waffle Maker, a 1400W powerhouse that lets you whip up 2 delicious 7-inch Belgian waffles in just 3 to 4 minutes, perfect for big families craving fresh, fluffy waffles without the hassle of freezing. With its innovative 180 degrees flip-style design, this waffle maker ensures even cooking and browning on both sides, thanks to its quadruple-sided heating system that mimics professional baking results. Safety is a top priority with its anti-scald ABS plastic housing, which keeps the surface cool to the touch, while the cool touch handle and double indicator lights make operation a breeze. Cleaning up is a cinch with the nonstick plates and removable drip tray, and the one-piece design prevents batter spills, ensuring a tidy cooking experience. Whether you're into vegan, keto, or classic waffles, this versatile appliance allows you to customize your creations for a healthier lifestyle, free from excess sugars and oils. Don't forget to check the user manual for tips and troubleshooting, and enjoy peace of mind with 24 months of after-sales service and friendly customer support. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.